You guys good?
Yep.
Right,
Be safe, bro.
Right,
I'll see you at the top.
Have a good one.
Be safe. Be safe. Oh yeah. Thanks, guys. Atta boy, cowboy! Oh! You good, Miguel? You good? You gonna go left or straight down?
I'm gonna go straight down.
All right, it's not.
Either you can go that way, or you can go this way. I recommend this way. I haven't done it. You guys good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo.
You want me to record you walking down?
Yeah.
He's got it. He's got it. Oh. Oh.
Bro, I was questioning some of that.
I know.
Actually,
I just sent.
most of the time. How is it?
That was nice.
It's just scary, huh?
It was cool. You going that way?
Yeah. It's the last part that is tricky. Right there. You good? Somebody put the rock there. Who put the rock there? Oh shit, my nuts. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fuck, dude.
You're doing that right?
I don't have enough speed. Oh, fuck yeah.
You guys gonna go for it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna roll it.
Yeah. Same.
Woohoo! My pants fell. I was trying to hook it, chuck it.
What's up, man? You gonna go?
Shake. Shake. Spin. Hey, spin. 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 Oh, she wants to go outside.